Kamya swear in the name of the Almighty God that I will preserve, I'll give faithful service to this council.
Mukurahira kweri izoba uko abebembezi aba district ya Kasese wahati abekibina echa NRM niwekankagana bashatu aba FDC ni 13 abatine kibina ni 2 kandi wanyuye kweza kurahizibwa uri chairman wa district ya Kasese Muhindi Elfazi yagamba habintu ebyagenderire kukora ombirigana byo kubanza
priority area rangiye kisomo cy'abana betu cyamuwana bakatunga basomesha kandi bakabaha emisare UN kuri president yabere bongera obuchoka 25 kwa 10 kandi etukayalangira tuse abasomesha abo bamendo mwabo limwanye special omwabetwa hard trick nelangira kasimuka bakababiri balengikaniya kwa hard trick na ukamatwa karabanika ekindi ecyatwa iriye mbere ekyo bwitsotse
obahati amashimerwa gagariya higuru obo bakansara bari kugamba ahabintu bitari bimwe na bimwe bakwenda kwija gukora
kwa agenda y'emyaka 5 ngaya making sure erisaba omwakanso banyikiriraye tumenyerere ebisubiye nyamwambanga tukabunza toti so echo nichukuru
si agenda yetu yibye yokubanza eribi tukakolera hauma eribi setulisololana omusyanganda eribi setulisololana omwashandimi ule mukonzo ule mutoro ule munyankole ule muwanda echikululwa mwakasese itubo situkolere hauma
bamwe ombani barahizibwa babonabona no kugamba ebigambo bitari bimwe na bimwe omukorahizibwa
I swear in the name of Almighty God that I will be faithful, bear true legacy, that I will be faithful legacy to the Republic of Uganda, and I will uphold, defend, protect and defend the Republic of Uganda. So help me God, the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda. So help me God.
Akarura ko bwa speaker kaba kari hagati ya Masereka Bernard ori kansara owa Ibanda Chanya Town Council kandi w'ekibine cha NRM na Masereka Nelson owa Mhocha Town Council kandi guyatine kibina n'obucirabe ngo abekibine cha NRM omukanso nibo binji bitu owabutine kibina yasinga karuraka ari kutunga bururana na mwenda rero wa NRM yatunga burura 29
of votes cast were 79. One vote is invalid. Masereka Nelson polled 49 votes. Masereka Bernard polled 29 votes.
Wanyume kweza kurahira nga speaker wa district Masereka Nelson yagira unaija kureba ngo yakorera okwatanisa hamwe no kureba ngo abantu bahikwa kurunji obuhereza.
Try to be peaceful, harmonious and focus only on service delivery.
Omugandi agari kwenda kushana nago district ya Kitagwenda nayo yagiraho mukoro ogokoraiza abakuru bentebe ya kashatu erizoba abari kutandika negomborora eyakanara hamwe na Nyabani okoraizibwa kwa yebemberwa owa kabiri ahari kao Moses Akankwasa Radisias Tumukunde otwire ari chairman w'egomborora ya Nyabani yarahira kandi kutandika enchiro ya kashatu.
Radisias, so in the name of the Almighty God that I will faithfully bear true allegiance to the Republic of Uganda and that I will preserve, protect and defend the Constitution. So help me God.
Bakansara batere birahiro n'obukirabe ngo bamwe horujungu rwababera mino garuguru.
I name as Monique, swear in the name of Almighty God that I will faithful, that be true, the length to the Republic of Uganda, that I will preserve, protect and defense.
I swear in the name of Eremite Allah that I will give the faithful services to this council and support and uphold the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda.
I Nwamanya Jane, swear in the name of the God that I will be faithful and be true are just out the Republic of the Uganda, and I will preserve, protect and defend.
Aba bakumizamu baronda n'akakiiko ako kubasa kweyongera yokora emirimo.
I, Kakama Yona, being appointed as the Secretary of Nyambani Sub-County, swear in the name of Almighty God that I will at all times wear and truly serve Nyambani Sub-County in the office of the Vice Chairperson.
George Byarhanga uri kujekera abagurusi kandi turari speaker yagaruka yatorana nka speaker.
The name of the Almighty God that I will at all times wear and truly serve Nyambani Sub-County in the office of speaker, and that I will support and uphold the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda.
Ahirwe Amos uri kujekera emyeto yatoranwa okuba omuhwezi wa speaker.
I Ahirwe Amos swear in the name of Almighty God that I will be faithful and bear the true allegiance to the Republic of Uganda, and that I will preserve, protect and defend the Constitution.
Bamwe ombahika aha mukoro haharo na Robert Mugabe umunyamakuru kandi umunyishenjero musya owa Kitagwenda uri ku rugo mugomborora ni yemwe.
Tuwanyabani niza gumana imwe muri byona niza koragana nimwe habwo burungi bwe gomborora yeitu.
Makuru agagasha kwa Mate Isaac hamwe na Christine Charkunda.